Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some mustard pork loins, and I'm also saute some squash and zucchini this morning. I have my tomatoes out here, but I'm not going to use them today. This pork loin dish only takes a few ingredients. Right now I have added some sea salt on both sides of the pork loin, and I marinated it for like 30 minutes with the salt. I haven't added any pepper or any of that. So let me get started with the mustard pork loin. This is the pan that I will be cooking my pork loins in. So let me just mix up a little mayo and mustard for the pork loins here. I'm going to chop up the garlic and part of the onion for the zucchini and squash. I'm going to saute the zucchini and squash and the onions and garlic. So let me get started with my chops here. Spoon of mayo. That's probably 1/4 cup of mayo. And then I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of mustard. Okay, I'm going to mix these two ingredients together for the pork loin. Let me put this up. This is a very easy recipe, so I hope you try it. It's not difficult at all to make this dish. So I'm using a paper plate to mix everything together. The only other ingredient I'm going to add to this is oregano. I'm going to add like a 1/2 tablespoon of oregano to that sauce that I'm going to add to the pork chops. Like I said earlier, I have marinated the pork loins just in some salt for 30 minutes. So it's ready for me to take it to the next level. Okay, I'll place it on this tray here. And I'm going to add the sauce on both sides of the pork loin. At this point, you can add some pepper to the pork loin if you like. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit to the pork loins. And then I have preheated a 375 degree oven. And I'm going to let this cook for 60 minutes. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven. Okay, while the pork loin is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the squash and zucchini. I'm gonna wash that and then slice it up. Okay, I'm getting ready to saute the vegetables here. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'll let that heat up before I get started. This is a really quick and easy dinner for you. It's very healthy. I'm gonna use a little of my lime juice in this dish here, but first I'm gonna saute the vegetables, okay? Okay, I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I added all of the vegetables in the pan. I'm going to let those cook for a little bit. And then I will add my garlic, pepper, oregano, and onions in the pan. Okay, I'm going to add a 4 cup of water. And I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil and let it cook for about 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 8 minutes, so now I'm going to add some lime juice. Just about a tablespoon. And I'm going to add in the garlic and onions. And the oregano. Oh, it smells so good. And I have some pepper flakes. Just a pinch of pepper flakes in the dish here. I'm going to add some sea salt. Just about a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm going to cover it again for about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn off the squash. Oh, it smells good. I like mine a little roasted. Some of the squash and zucchini, but it looks delicious. So good. Bill is gonna taste the pork chops for me and see how he likes them.
Tastes good, huh?
Okay. So good.